Hi guys. What do you want to say, Linnea? Hello. Okay.
Oh, the bridge is going up.
Do it. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Hi
This
guys, my name is Billy Iowa.
Okay. As she was trying to say is, hi guys. My name is Billie Eilish.
I am long black teeth.
Okay, say it again.
I am young like my teeth.
It's one to watch. Ash.
This is a song about the anger stage of grief, and it's about.
She was
feeling.
trying to say,
In order to
I lost my
to the place
teeth.
of feeling, you have to go through this phase. You gotta
There goes
go
the
through it.
bridge,
You
going
can't
up.
Skip grieving.
Oh wait. Wait, another one.
Down when,
You do it this
anger
time, and I will
demands to be
say
felt,
it.
Whether you want to or not. Your hits one to watch. This is Save Myself on SiriusXM Hits 1.
Okay, guys, he was trying to say, I am. He was trying to say, I am the Hulk Buster. Okay.
And that means okay.
Okay, guys, he was trying to mention I lost my first tooth, which has actually happened before. That is true. Okay, your turn. Okay.
I'm Billy Goo.
She meant to say, I am gonna fight you. Okay.
I love you.
So she was trying to say, I love food. Okay. Can I hold the phone? No. Okay. So now let's go with eat. Okay, he was trying to meant I am outside. Yeah. And that was a yes. Okay, your turn. Okay.
My teeth is very wiggly.
She meant to say my tooth is very wiggly. Bye.
True.
This is